All right, here's a good question. Average linear speed, so it's v, was 53. That's our v. The bicycle wheel has a 70-centimeter diameter. Okay, I need radius, so I have to cut that in half. So the radius is 35 centimeters. What was the angular speed? That's w, in revolutions per hour. And round to the nearest tenth. Okay. So, here's my formula. V equals RW, and I want to solve for this. So I'll divide both sides by R. So these will cancel. So I'll have W is equal to velocity over the radius. Okay, so the velocity is 53 kilometers per hour. The radius is 35 centimeters. Now, the problem I have here, I guess, is that I have kilometers and centimeters. So I need to have those as the same unit. Let me move this down a bit. So I'm going to multiply here, and they say 100,000 centimeters is the same as 1 kilometer. Okay, so centimeters cancel, so do kilometers. So the answer I'm going to get will be in radians per hour. So anytime you're solving for an angular velocity, it always comes out in radians per given time. Okay, so calculator. Okay, so I have 53 over 35 times 100,000. Okay, so I come up with 151,428 nearest 10th.6 radians per hour. Now, the question, though, asks for what is your answer in revolutions per hour. So I need to convert this number from radians to revolutions. So there's 151.428.6 rads per hour, and I have to do a conversion unit. So the conversion unit is 360 degrees is the same as 2 pi radians, which is the same as 360 degrees, which is the same as 6.28 radians, if you want to do decimal radians. So I'm going to have to use radians here, and they want revolutions. So I need, hold it, I did two 360s, sorry. That's funny. They are equal to each other, but it's one revolution. So I need to do revolutions, and I need to do radians. I could use this one or this one. I always choose to use this one because it's exact, whereas this is rounded. So I'm going to use that one. So I want to get rid of radians, so I'm going to put the 2 pi radians on the bottom, and then the 1 revolution up top. So then I just have to take that answer that I got before in there, and I have to times that by 1 over 2 pi. There we go, 24,100.6. 24,100.6. 24,100.6 revolutions per hour. So that'd be my answer for number 15. All right, hopefully that helps.